Hi, today I want to make another video in the series where I'm going to test and review the products that I got from BleBox. So today I'm going to focus on the wlightboxs. This is a device that you can connect to a LED strip and control that LED strip from a phone or tablet. So let's have a closer look of the product. So here's the product itself. It is quite small, and as all the other BleBox devices, it's very robust in its housing, has good connections for the wires, good explanations on the unit itself. So it seems, as the other products, very robust and very small. If I compare its size with, for example, a Fibaro dimmer, you see that the BleBox is quite smaller than the Fibaro. And what I would like to point out here as well is that if you want the Fibaro dimmer to control 12-volt LED strips with a low load, then you would need a Fibaro bypass unit as well. So please remember that the BleBox only supports 12 to 24 watts and maximum 5 amps. So this is absolutely perfect for LED strips, for example. So let's try to connect a LED strip. As you see on the explanations here, you need plus here, minus here, and the LED strip on the last one here. So let's try to connect it. So now we have the device here. I've connected it to a LED strip, and I have my iPad ready to see what happens when I will power it on. So let's try to connect it to a power source. So now it's connected to a power source, and hopefully within a couple of seconds it will be available on the Wi-Fi list. And you see now it's blinking blue, and we have it connected here. Oh, sorry, it appeared here as a Wi-Fi network. Now it's connected, so let's try to go to the BleBox app. Oh, sorry. And now we have it here. If I click on here, I am actually able to control the device now because I am directly connected to the device says Wi-Fi itself. So I am able to turn on and off the LED strip that is connected now. But if I would like to connect it to my home Wi-Fi, click on settings here in the corner. And now it will load a settings menu here, where at the top I'm able to connect or control the device's name. And down here I'm able to connect to the Wi-Fi's that are available right here. So I will connect it to my home Wi-Fi and enter the password. And now you see it has the status connecting. And hopefully quite soon it will get an IP address and status connected. Yeah. And if I scroll further down, I can enable or disable the local access point that is on the device itself. I can make schedules, update the time on the unit, set locations, add remote controls, and get new firmware. The app I will make a review of in another video. But let's try to connect to my home Wi-Fi now and see if I still have a connection to the device. and it's connecting, and now it's connected. So let's jump back into the app and see, and you see, yeah, it's still working. And it's quite responsive actually, so so there's not much delay here. And I believe that the setup that BleBox made here, that you just have to connect to a Wi-Fi in the device and connect that to your home Wi-Fi if you want that. I think that's a very easy setup, and that's one of the most easiest ways that I have experienced with devices from BleBox and other brands. So so that's quite good. So I've now done some tests on the unit, and it seems pretty good. Once you have connected the wires, you're actually up and running within minutes. So that is very good. A very easy setup that BleBox made for their devices, and this is a very good product for LED strips. Really good, easy to work with. So so they've done a quite good job there. So if you want to see more of these videos where I will review and test smart home products from BleBox and other manufacturers, subscribe to the channel, and there will be more videos to come.